Here we have Flying Star.
No,
Oh,
Team
Team Fly. So very good. Ekdam, matlab, inspirational words. Fly. So obviously, keep it up. Congratulations and best of luck. Come on.
So good morning to everyone. We are Team Fly. Myself, Nabam Root. We are here.
Okay, okay.
So sweet.
And myself, Anushka, we the Team Fly came over here to present the topic Archimedes Principle. So, consists of 4 members: Techi Appi, Nabam Ruth, Nancy Mara. So, what is Archimedes Principle?
A flute, a flute pushes an object upward, which helps explain why objects float or sink. Now, Anushka will explain what is. Anushka will explain this statement.
Hi, I'm Anushka, present over here to explain the topic Archimedes Principle. As she has already mentioned the statement, let us know what is Archimedes Principle. So, if the stone displaces water when immersed, the displaced water exerts an upward force. The force is called buoyant force. The buoyant force is greater than or equal to the weight of the object it flows. If it is less, the object sinks. Now, with the help of this experiment, we'll try to understand. The experiment will showed by Auntie Chappi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Techiaki, and now I'm going to give the explanation with the experiment. I'm gonna give an experiment with 2 objects. First, I'm gonna take a lemon for floating, and I'm gonna take a potato for sinking. So I'll take lemon for floating, and I'll take potato for sinking. First, we should take a plain water, and now I'll put the potato, and it will sink because the upward force of the water is less than the potato's weight. And now I'll take a lemon, and we'll put some salt. I'll mix it, and now I'll take a lemon and put it on the dense water, and it will float because the water is dense, and the dense water is greater than the lemon's weight. And by this experiment, it shows that floating or sinking depends on the buoyant force of the fluids. Now, the conclusion is given by Nancy Mara.
To this topic, it's the small topic here. Now, arithmetic principles explains why object move, the float or swing. We can take one example like we have seen here. Like so, we have taken 2 objects that have swing and that have float. So when an object will swing, the less volume that it will swing, it's less. This principle is useful in many real activities application like ships, submarines, this all. Thank you.
Finish. Yes. Nice. Good. One clip. Okay. So very nice, very cute experiment. Okay, and nice. So any public question? Can I hear your mic?
Sure.
Any public question for regarding this experiment? Your topic is about Archimedes principle or buoyancy? Have you stated define? Did you define Archimedes principle?
A fluid pushes an object upward, which helps and explain why objects float or sink.
Okay. Any public question? The unit of buoyancy force. What is the SI unit of buoyancy force? Newton. So it will be the same unit for the buoyancy force also. Okay. Can you say some real life example, or you can say where we can really use the buoyancy force in life? Give the mic to her.
Ship is floating, and we can take example of submarines too.
Okay. Summer is floating. Okay. Okay. All right. Very good. Excellent. Huh? Very nice. Very nice. Keep it up. God bless you.